Hi, I'm Dennis Ransel. I'm with the Clark County Department of Air Quality and Environmental Management, and basically on a day-to-day basis I work with air quality planning issues, and particularly how do we get to meet air quality standards. And I'm talking criteria pollutants. We've got problems with carbon monoxide, with ozone, with particulate matter. And I'm talking about problems in the Las Vegas Valley. Clark County is the southern part of Nevada, and it's where Las Vegas resides. So from the county perspective, we look at the entire county and the whole Las Vegas Valley and the cities, and try to make sure that we have clean air for the folks in the valley. Now, when we look at alternative fuels, we had a carbon monoxide problem. Actually, it was back into the mid-90s when we had a big problem. And one of our major efforts was to, of course, reduce emissions from vehicles because they caused the carbon monoxide problem. We had a very successful plan, a state implementation plan that got us to meet the carbon monoxide standard. Now, part of the plan that we had included natural gas vehicles. Natural gas vehicles got to be a problem in the late 90s and early 2000s because there weren't any. But we did build a fueling infrastructure in the Las Vegas Valley for natural gas, and we continue to operate vehicles. And as we go down the road, we're seeing the opportunity to increase the numbers of those vehicles, and I think the availability also will increase. The key thing here is that we kind of beat the CO problem. We now meet that carbon monoxide standard and don't expect to have problems meeting it in the future, but now we have ozone, and that's a new problem for this part of the Southwest. We believe we're affected by transport actually from Southern California and other parts of the country, really. But also locally, we've got, again, vehicle emissions to deal with. So clean cars and clean vehicles, clean trucks, clean diesel vehicles, or other alternative technologies, we think are going to continue to play a role in helping to meet air quality standards. And particularly in a place like Las Vegas, where we sit in a valley, we're surrounded by mountains, and you get some stagnant days, the emissions just sit. And the more we can reduce those emissions, the cleaner air we're going to have, and the better opportunity we'll have to meet air quality standards. So, working through the Las Vegas Clean Cities Coalition, we are looking to advance alt fuel use as much as we possibly can. There's been a lot of use in the government fleets, and now we're hoping to expand into the private sector fleets because the fuels are available. A lot of it is just understanding how they can be used, what benefits they have. And I'm talking things like that are commonly available at the pump now today is biodiesel, ethanol, we have natural gas, compressed natural gas available, and then you've got hybrid electric vehicles. So we'll be having plug-in electrics pretty soon. So you look at that, the potential for increasing clean technology, clean fuel vehicles is really pretty dramatic. And the impact also can be very dramatic in terms of helping clean up the air. And as an air quality planner, that's really what I'm after. I'm really happy to see fleets and private individuals both look at, be serious about, and take advantage of these clean technologies. It can save you money in the long run in terms of fuel costs, in many cases, but it also can help clean up the air. So we like to see people use alternative fuels. We like to see people use alternative technologies like hybrid electrics, and we hope to see that continue in the future because it will be more and more important, we think, to keeping clean air.